Andy, it's time for the rundown.
Hold on, Raquel. I think I'm playing Fortnite. Am I winning? This week's rundown begins with millions of Fortnite players staring into a virtual black hole, and you thought Pong was boring.
What's Pong?
Oh boy, and if that doesn't make you feel old, did you know the Nintendo Game Boy turned 30 this year?
Now that one I know.
Phew. Okay, back to Fortnite. On Sunday, players witnessed the game's one and only map being destroyed by what can only be described as a virtual black hole.
And yet millions were satisfied watching the aftermath. Just a dark screen.
Now this appeared to be part of an event wrapping up Fortnite Season 10, closing the book on Chapter 1, with Chapter 2 launching yesterday with an all-new map and all new features for players to enjoy.
Guys, it's almost 2020. Why am I still driving to work? On the ground. A new partnership between Boeing and Porsche may bring our flying vehicle dreams into reality. The US aircraft giant and German automaker say they hope to develop a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. Who knows? You just might meet George Jetson in a flying Uber one day.
If you're like me, you are always on the go, and you've seen those travel bags that you vacuum to save a little space on luggage. Well, now you can take the vacuum with you. The Paccum vacuum is a handheld gadget smaller than a smartphone. The company says it creates 50% more suitcase space in less time than it takes for you to enjoy today's rundown. Cool.
Here's a little something our green team can be excited about.
That's right. A company in Portland just finished building a renewable energy device that channels the power of water waves off the coast of Oregon. This makes Oregon a leading force in using our coast as a renewable source of energy, a feat that could sustain up to 15% of the country's electricity demands. Talk about making waves.
And a quick reminder, October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Join us for a webcast today at 10 a.m. to learn about addressing warning signs, what we can all do to help, and much more.
We covered so much in this rundown: Fortnite, flying cars, packing vacuums, making waves.
I guess there's only one more wave to make. Until next time,
you're up to speed.